Hi, I'm Abby Jo Homily. That's the most recent picture of me. Gotta love selfies. Um, some facts about me. I'm a junior, but I'm actually graduating this year, so I'm kind of a senior. I'm a psychology major. I have a minor in child, youth, and family studies, and I also have a minor in leadership and communications, which is why I'm here taking this class. So, the most interesting concept from the readings this week was I think the third reading talked about how standardized tests tend to use quantitative measures of knowledge to determine how intelligent someone is. And I thought this was really interesting because I personally believe that there are a lot of different things that go into someone's intelligence, like the different opportunities and experiences they have throughout their lives. And their genetics can also play a role in their intelligence. So, this reading just kind of talked about how standardized tests tend to focus on knowledge instead of all of the different things that can go into someone's intelligence levels. So one organization that I'm a part of right now is a local nonprofit called I've Got a Name that fights sex trafficking in Lincoln. I am their outreach intern, so I help the outreach director work with local sex trafficking victims by guiding them down a path to recovery. And this kind of goes into my fun fact, which is that I'm working with this organization because I want to be a therapist for sex trafficking victims after I graduate. So I have to go to grad school to be a therapist, so I decided to get my master's in social work starting next fall.